Hi guys and welcome on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to add more RAM memory on Xiaomi Redmi Note 12. So to do that, just go to settings and here tap on additional settings, go down and we have here memory extension. Just tap on this feature. And now I have 2 gigabytes, and if you want you can turn it off. You can set on 1 gigabytes, or also you can put it on 3 gigabytes. Let's do this. And now you need to reboot device. Just tap reboot and wait for a few seconds. And now I'm back. And let's go again to the settings, additional settings. Okay, memory extension. And as you can see, now I have 3 gigabytes. So this is a very good feature because you can extend your memory if you want to, I don't know, run more apps in the same time. So I hope this video to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.